from your book number 1 of your classroom material. As you know, the text completion questions consist of single blank, double blank and triple blank questions. So we'll attempt to do as many of all the 3 types of questions today. So let's take up the first question, which is a single blank question. In the 1950s, the country's inhabitants were dash. Most of them knew very little about foreign countries. So the word used to describe the inhabitants is missing. They give a clear clue about what they were. Most of these inhabitants knew very little about foreign countries. They hardly knew anything about foreign countries. So what would you describe such people who have no idea about the external world? You wouldn't call them as partisan. Now partisan is a word that we use for having a very staunch loyalty to one side. For example, a person who belongs to a political party would be partisan. That means his attitude would show great bias, prejudice, partiality. So obviously partisan would not be the right word to describe the people who knew nothing about the foreign countries. And what is erudite? Erudite is a word that we associate with people who have great knowledge attained from books. So an erudite person would be very well learned. An erudite person would be a scholar, a savant, a pedant. Knowledge that comes from books makes you a person of erudition. Because you see, knowledge can be got from anywhere. You can get knowledge from experience. But knowledge that comes from learning from books, scholarly knowledge, makes you erudite. Now, erudite is definitely ruled out. Now, I'm going to also rule out, let's go to option E, imperturbable. Perturb, disturb. If you add in, makes it not. So someone who cannot be disturbed becomes imperturbable. So a person who remains calm, undisturbed is called as imperturbable. That doesn't make sense. Cosmopolitan, cosmos, universe, polis, city. So cosmopolitan makes you the opposite of these people. When you have knowledge of the world, when you're well traveled, when you're sophisticated, when you're cultured, you're considered to be cosmopolitan. These people are found. We finally come to the word insular. Insular, we have already learned, is to be completely